Hey everyone, today we're going to be touring the Fiesta in Poza Rica. And here's the hotel exterior, and right there's the Fiesta logo. So anyways, let's go inside the hotel and check out this place. And right there's where that's probably the charges for your electric car. And right there's the luggage cart. Here's the main entrance. And if you're coming here, you have a nice lobby. Look at this beautiful Christmas tree. And right there are the Christmas presents. Right there you have your 2 fire sprinklers. Right there's the pull station. And right there's the front desk, which I'm not gonna get them on picture. And over here, you have there's a fire extinguisher. No idea what this area is. And 2021. So I need to talk over the music so I don't get a copyright. Right there's the fire alarm, and there's music in here, so I gotta get out of here right now. So yeah, just gonna have to try to point down the camera. And look, everything here for Christmas, and here's the business center, which is open 24 hours. So let's get in here real quick. What else? And here's your business center with just 1 computer. There's the fire extinguisher. And this computer is still running Windows 7. And no idea what this place is. So, whoa. Right, there's the thermostat. Anyways, let's go check something else now. I don't want to slam the door shut. And in here is the breakfast area, which I don't want to get those people on picture. And here is everything, but the breakfast area is closed right now. So in here you have your bar, and right there's the sitting area. I don't want to get those people on picture. Sorry guys. And here are the public restrooms. See? And there's your pull station, and out here is the pool. So, possibly want to read. Out here is the outdoor pool. I almost fell. And right there's the pool and the hot tub. And here's the hotel exterior. So anyways, let's go back inside. Close this door gently. Now we are going to tour the fitness center. And right there is the ThyssenKrupp elevator, but we'll look at that in just a sec. And here's the fitness center. It's open from 6 a.m. to 11. And I wonder if it's open. I don't know, it's not open, but we can look out here. Right there's the weights, and there's the, I don't know, and there's the treadmill. And right here is the, I don't know what that equipment is. Here's where you exercise and everything. And there's no good for business security. So anyways, the moment you all waiting for. That's right. Well, all right, and let's go up to the 3rd floor, and we're gonna do the room tour. Hear that fan go off once we go up.
Tercer piso.
3rd floor.
Baja.
All right. Anyways, there it goes. Now let's go check out the room. And look at this beautiful tree up here. There's the pull station, and yes, I need to talk over the music so I don't get a copyright. So out here is your view outside here of Poza Rica, and down there's the parking lot. Anyways, and there's the MP. Let's go check out the room now. I'm in room 308, and before we check out the room, let's check something here. And right here's the emergency exit. And right there's the thermostat. And Sorry, that sun is glaring a little bit. And right there's here's the view outside of Poza Rica, and there's the parking lot. So I like this view a lot. Anyways, let's go check out the room now. And there's my room, 308. We're gonna pause it here and do the room tour. All right, this is going to be the hotel room tour here at the Fiesta Inn in Poza Rica. We are here in room 308, which is on the 3rd floor. See, here we are up on the 3rd floor, and right there's the emergency exit. And check out the room now, and here's the key card. Paul picked that up. All right, let me, door shut. Right there's the evacuation plan, and right there's a little hole. And if you're coming here, you have a nice looking room with 2 beds here, which I like. And no phone, no alarm clock, I'm sorry. There's no phone here. And right there are the 2 lamps. And right there is the painting on the wall. And right there's a smoke detector and the fire sprinkler. And up right here you have your LG TV hanging up on the wall. And here's a mirror here. And look at the mirror. Hey. And oh, right there is the hotel telephone. And here at the workstation, and right there is the lamp. And let's take a look out here. Out here is the hotel exterior, and right there is the pool. And it's a nice day here in Poza Rica. So, anyways, let's check out the bathroom now. And no idea what this area is, but here you have your drawers here. And here's the small closet with the iron and ironing board, and right there are the hooks. Anyways, check out the bathroom. Don't know which light it is. I think it's out here. I don't know. I don't want to touch that. I don't know which light it is. I'm sorry, people. No lights are turning on. All right, anyways, we're going to have to do it with the lights off. And look at the mirror. Hey. And right there's the sink. And right there you have your soap and shampoo. And here's the shower with the door. There's the shower head, and right there is the shower fixture. So let's turn on shower. Nice shower. And right in here's the commode, which I don't know what the brand is. And right there's toilet paper. So anyways, what you guys think of this room? You like it? I really like this room a lot. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the room tour here at the Fiesta Inn in Poza Rica, Mexico, room 308. And that's going to be it, and thank y'all for watching.